hello there, and welcome to What Yacht To Do.
Yeah, we're on the bridge of the Here's to Us, getting ready to leave the Oswego Marina. And a little jaunt across the southeastern portion of Lake Ontario. And really not a whole lot to see today. A lot of open water.
I put everything down like we're going out in the big ocean.
Oh, yeah.
All the lamps.
We've looked at the wave forecast. We shouldn't have anything more than about 2 feet. And the wind should be pushing us up there. And then we'll go up into Navy Point Marina and Sackets Harbor. We've contacted the marina manager there and looking to spend at least a day there. Weather down the road might be a little challenging. So thanks for joining us, and I say we're ready to get going.
Okay.
All right.
I don't see anything yet, but you know, we're not there yet. Yeah, you're good. Nothing's coming from the left. It is very windy. We have not been to Oswego where it wasn't windy. I don't know if it's our timing or what, but we are going straight ahead. That is Lake Ontario. You see a beautiful lighthouse on the left. You see the breakwater on the right. Looks like breakwater on both sides, actually. We're going to go out through the middle, right? Through the middle of that. Okay. All right. Good, successful launching. The fishermen are out there. One on the right, two on the left, doing their thing. We're going up to this lighthouse. Does it have a name?
I guess it's just the Oswego Lighthouse.
Let's call it that.
Yeah.
Because if that's not its name, that's what it should be called. And right out there, you see that blue, flat water. We just hope it stays flat all day long.
Yeah.
But Sam's real good at looking at the passageway.
Passage weather?
Passage weather.
Yeah, the main thing with that is you want to look at it over a trend of time, you know, a couple days before, and see what the changes are, if any. And just kind of keep an eye on it. I think my experience with it is that it's more pessimistic than anything, but there are some times when they miss the...
One through there?
Yeah, we're going to come around to the right here and go through these two breakwaters here.
Yeah. So you see those jagged rocks up there. That's breakwater. And is there a reason you're cutting through here?
Yeah, I mean, we could go around the other side, but this is the way Navionics planned it. There's plenty of water here.
Okay.
So we come around this way, follow it.
Yeah, we're cutting through these two breakwater areas. We saw it on the map earlier. And if you get Sam's planning videos, you saw him walk you through that. Here we are.
Yeah, 30 feet of water right here. And then we'll go clear this, and then we'll set a course direct to Sackets Harbor, at least the inlet for into Sackets Harbor, once we clear this particular breakwater here.
Look how blue and beautiful the water is.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is
Looking
really
forward
nice.
to cleaning out the sea strainers and the air conditioning strainers.
You're looking forward to that?
Yeah, well, because I was going to do it in the Erie Canal, and I looked at the water there, and I go like, well, I'm just going to have to clean them out again.
Oh, that is true.
So we will clean them out, and hopefully we'll be in some water that's clear, and last time that we'll clean them out before we put her into winter storage. So, looking good here. Well, the weather passage weather website was pretty close, and We are out here on the southeastern portion of Lake Ontario, a stretch of about 30 miles. And, you know, we're getting a little bit of roll here, just kind of as forecast, you know. Nothing more than about 1 or 2 feet, and kind of pushing on the stern a little bit once in a while. We'll get that in this boat. But we're planed out here and running smooth. We are in almost 300 feet of water out here, and doing roughly 18 and a half miles per hour. Going along here.
That is 300.
Yeah, about 300 feet, and like I said, you know, it's a pretty deep lake out here. Last time we went across, we went right to Canada, and I remember seeing like 600 feet. So should be a pretty nice day. We're getting in there right at the sweet spot, so all the planning that we did for it and giving us a couple extra days seemed to work out. So we'll talk to you a little bit later on the route there as we get closer into some scenery. We are not out of sight of land at any point on this. I remember last time as we went across, we were out of sight of land, but we can kind of see the shore of New York over there on the starboard side. Can't really see into Canada over there, too far away. So we'll give you an update a little bit later.
I'd like to apologize for the quality of this video.
All right, we are about 7 miles out from Sackets Harbor, and what you're seeing over there is Henderson Bay, and also a number of islands that are connected together. But there is a KOA, Campgrounds of America, area over there, and you can see some structures to it. So probably a place where people do some camping, and I would imagine in the summertime it's pretty nice over there. Just beautiful up here as we come into some really clean water and kind of a brisk day out there. Not much wind, but you know, it is probably about 60, 65 degrees, rather cool. So we'll give you a little bit more as we come into Sackets Harbor, and we look forward to spending at least one night there. We'll see what the weather does.
Okay, we are here, Lake Ontario. Sam talked to the lockmaster, and he suggested that we dock, harbor master, that he suggested that we dock on the starboard side. So as you know, that's the right side of the boat. So the lake out here is so nice. So I'm getting to come out early to put the fenders and lines out. Oops, I forgot my gloves. I gotta go back and get them. And look at fall. How beautiful is that? Wow. Goodness, I see a lot of red coming up there. So Sam just let me know that we are coming around. I wanted you to see, hopefully you can see on this video how beautiful the fall colors are in New York this time of year. We are almost ready to make a turn to go into a channel in Sackets Harbor. I already have the fenders out and the lines out, and so we will be coordinating. Okay, you see the yellow house on the side, then there are sailboat masts you can see from here, and that's where we're going to be turning in. So we are very close to the marina.
Marina, Sackets Harbor Marina, motor vessel. Here's to us.
Channel 9.
Sackets Harbor Marina, Sackets Harbor Marina, motor vessel. Here's to us.
There's a small boat coming out. Well, so they haven't answered us on the radio. Sam called them and they haven't answered us on the phone. So I am planning to lasso a cleat and tie us up by myself. So that's how I'm going to play this. Just finished up going over to the brew house, and we're here at the town gazebo in Sackets Harbor, and we're looking out across the way, and what do we see? My voice is echoing in here. Look over there.
There's the Here's to Us at Sackets Harbor.
But look how beautiful this place is. I don't know.
And the fall colors.
There we are.
Nice still water.
Wow.
Very nice.
This looks like how we started the video.
Yeah.
We're actually in a different place though.
Yes, we are at Navy Point Marina in Sackets Harbor. Thanks for coming along on this trip here, and you could kind of see a lesson learned is, well, they told us starboard tie we'd have the whole dock, and then we came in here and there was a sailboat, so we had to kind of motor around and switch the sides, but anyway.
It was a lot of drama there at the end.
Always flexible.
Every docking is different.
So tomorrow, we're going to try to move on if we can. If not, we'll stay here and explore the town a little bit more. But we'll see you the next time on What Yacht To Do. Thanks for joining us.